Namaste everyone. Welcome back to the tutorial series of Nrityasaara. We have already covered Tattadavu, Nattadavu and Mettadavu. We have also covered the Asamyukta Hastamudras, our single hand gestures. Alright, today we'll be doing Shiro Bheda. So even when we do our Nattadavu, like when we do our right side, we do Tayyum and Tat Ta. We also use our head, right? So Shiro Bheda will help us do those isolations while dancing. So there are 9 Shiro Bhedas. They are taken from Abhinaya Darpanam book written by Nandikeshwara. So the first among them is Samam, straight. When you look straight, the Shiro Bheda is called as Samam, straight. Second one is Udvahitam. You look up. Udvahitam. So while doing Udvahitam, see to it that you don't do this and take your head up. So it goes directly from here to up. So the second action is Udvahitam, looking up. Third is Adhomukham, down. Third is Adhomukham, when you look down. The fourth is Alulitam, where your head circles. So it is down, then you go to your left. See to it that you don't take your cheek or your chin like this. So it is one, and then ear to shoulder, and then back, and then again ear to shoulder. So see to it that while coming from this side, you don't use your chin or your cheek. So you come again ear to shoulder without lifting your shoulders, and then down again. So this is your Alolitam. Then next comes Dhutam, right and left. So while doing your Dhutam, see to it that you go from this center to this center, and see to it that you don't drop your chin while going on to the side. So it goes from center to center, right and left. Okay, Dhutam. Then is Kampitam. Kampitam is like saying a yes. So you go up and down. Kampitam. Then Paravritta. Paravritta is looking back, like looking back. Okay, you look back the shoulder. Paravritta. Then you look up, on the side up. Ukshipta. So that is Ukshipta. The last one is a nod, simple nod, and it is Parivahita. Okay, again see to it that you don't use your chin and cheek, it's ear to shoulder. So these are isolations. These can also be used as a good warm up for your head and your neck. See to it that you don't use your neck and your shoulders lifting while you do any of these. So now I'll say the whole thing with a shloka. Okay? Shiro Bheda, Samam, Udvahitam, Adhomukham, Alolitam, Dhutam, Kampitam cha, Paravritta, Ukshipta, Parivahita, Navadhakatitam Shirsham, Natyashastra Visharidehi. So yeah, that was today's short video. Hope that you all understood it. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section or DM me on my Instagram handle. For inquiries regarding the class, online and offline, you can mail me on my Gmail ID. It's there in the description box below. So thank you for watching. You know what to do, right? Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.